Oh, so we're not talk about Anna. So let me start over with Anna, right? As I said, Anna not too like, you know, certain people around her mother. Anna really jealous when they come on to people around her mom. As I say, guys, right? I see the video. And when I see the video, I not lie to you. I feel a way about it, what she said in the video. And I wonder in myself to why she has said them something here, because the whole way I want from our talk. What we do is we come out our business, meaning that we don't do nothing we offend her. We don't do nothing for upset her. You understand me? I want to jar in the things and what we're doing, because it's a type of person she different, right? So the thing is this: we are trying to work out with family difference. Meanwhile, we depend on the media, right? But when we see the video, and I see she says some things in the video, I not lie to you, it hurt me and it burned me. It burned me as in I want to talk my mind. And yet still I don't want to ruin the relationship again when I go push her away from me. But I don't rate that. You see me? Because at the end of the day, her sister is a big woman. Her sister is 19 years old. She make her own decision. You understand what I say? Them continue to say certain little things. Mika Bout don't tell them already. I would don't talk it a million times. She and Jaden never did that. She and Jay never did that. We do with skits, we do with style, the whole way are one team. She says she don't like Jaden, she don't like Jabas. Me nah force her to come around Jaden, me nah force her to come around Jabas. But them are my company. Them are my friend. Right? My friend now gonna be fear friend. You understand me? A fear friend now gonna be my friend. Right? So when she come and attack them type of things here, I feel a way about it, because at the end of the day, you know, so at the end of the day, we depend on the internet and the whole of we are work together. Why are you saying that? Or why you gonna feel a way because you see me amongst a girl them and you gonna feel a way and started to drop certain type of word? You don't have to do that. I don't think she have to do that. I don't want to go deep down in the talking and go talk nothing. And you get what me I say? You know, say me a dry it out of contacts. But to me, most of it, use it, work off of jealousy. Because we are one team. If we are one team, you're supposed to take up a phone and call in and say something where you don't like, or say, yo, I don't like what you're doing, change up that and do this and do that. But if we are one team, you're not supposed to work against your team, Anna. The whole of we are come together. Me can work with Redance. Redance as somebody can work with. I mean, never did know in idea of my life me would have come for like Daniel. Me can work with Daniel. Me can go out with Daniel. Daniel understanding. But you, sometimes it's like, you take things too far. You understand what I say? Sometimes you take things too far and you're in your own world. Me and you different. I'm going to rate that way you open up your mouth and say. Because at the end of the day, you're talking like, say, me push on somebody, and somebody like me hook up people together. Whole heap of people have it for say it. Right? Thank you, baby. A whole heap of people have it for say it. Right? But a lot of you guys do not know. She and Jaden not there. But you just now go believe it. Right? She and Jaden are friends. And to me can't tap them from be friend. Even what they say to her, I say, Mika, don't you know talking with him. You see what happened on the media? I'm wrote it. I told them a friend again. Them are a friend. They're not in a relationship. She say in the video, say, because certain woman fresh. You understand me? In jump round and move round me. Forget such woman daughter. Right? Our sister she attacking her. Our own sister she attacking her. Right? And next she go say, a man, after him she said that the one that gets steal out. In jump and go for TT. You understand what I say? Me the thing say, yo, we are work together. That me not get it when I say one team. You understand me? And there's more what she saying in the video. Right? The thing is this. It's like the end of the day, come like say you're there on your stream and you don't know what to talk about, because there's so many things about your thing where you can't talk about. Right? A TikTok she do it, pan. Right? There's so many things where she can't speak about herself. You understand what I say? With you and Daniel. So there's no need for you to sit down. You understand what I say? And do what you do. There's no need for that. Because the thing is this. Such man come round me. Jaden come round me. Jaden link up with your sister. Right? The two of them are friends. That have nothing to do with you. You get what I say? The man there you know, boomson, whatever, and him jump round the whole away. Man there run the whole away. A man and TT no there. See, Titi and him man, they run this so. See, then they run this so. Right? I don't know if I feel she feel a way. Yeah, yesterday she do it. I don't know if I feel she feel a way. Make sure I taught them something here. You understand what I say? See, Titi run this so with her man. Titi and Jaden know they. You understand what I say? The people them they run this so to get there. That not have nothing to do with we. I don't feel with business that. You understand what I say? But you come out and you do all of these things I talk about. Let me tell you something. I'm not going to mash up my friendship with Jaden and Jabas because of how you think. At the end of the day, I'm not going to mash up my friendship. Your friends are your friend, my friend are my friend. You understand what I say? Live your life and do what you have to do for yourself. Regardless, me, I'm going to love you. But do not try to come and pre people and say certain things about people. You understand what you don't know? You understand me? Say, see, if she not really and truly into me, and that me continue and say because I not understand. There's no reason for she come out and I say them here something. Jaden and Jabas now use me. It's enough for uno now wicked pan this blood clot. And moderator, I want to know. Moderator, them the people that you for black from outer comment section. Them are dirty people that you for black. Jabas and Jaden now use me. A man have them style, instead of them I use me, them I teach me. You see me? There's many ways how I say blood clot Jaden help me when enough for uno pan this not help me. I mean I have to talk with a dog though. You see me? Jaden I want somebody make sure say me put on my foot and start my house. Jabas I want somebody will keep me on my feet and make me know say I'm worth it. You understand what I say? Me stress out. Jabas tell me come off my phone make me and your chat girl. You see me? Them man there. Yo, me never can. Yo, better me shut my mouth. You see enough for uno just don't want to see good people around me. And that, you know. Because many times they run people who can't help me. Who just drag me down, chat me, criticize me. Right? But my people around me now will look out for me and help me in a way how them can. And you have a problem with that? Eh? You have a problem with that? Me now go left Jaden friendship. I mean, yo, unless Jaden come out. Unless Jaden walk up him out and say, me no want no more French from Annie. Jaden make you feel now myself like Jaden I want to me pitney them. Like him I want to me pitney them and him I look a troublemaker one, but he love his mother. And so Jaden make me feel. You see me? Jagger are the gallus. Be a problem Jagger him give me. Thank you, baby. Jagger are the gallus. You understand what I say? Mika Boo are the little quiet. You know, the way they call that little one day. They look a quiet, prissy one. You get what I say? Right? I don't know. Them call her the Lulu ants. Zoe are the champion at everything. Jack of all trade. Everybody have them position. Alex are the sweet boy. You understand what I say? Jabas are my mix up auntie. Remember me tell you, when we're ready, we mix up and we chat and we laugh and we put one another in a trouble. And we still can't find a way out. Chanel are the one who mad over her man and no girl can take her man. Titi are one of the Dululu one them. You get me? Titi is so Dululu more while you have to put Titi back in her sense and say, hey girl, put your head by your body. A whole away play with position. All of them are mine. So what? None of them are perfect. But at least them have sense to try push themselves in life. Me not go left Jabba's company for nobody. And me not go left Jaden company for nobody. Unless Jaden and Jabba's come out and say something about me. See you next look at Dululu one year. This wake up. Watch him. You told Dululu. Watch it. You told Dululu. Tell him not to Dululu. You told Dululu. I see. The thing is this also crazy. It's like God is a true God because people are look on this, but oh, this slack. But look how we live good. Look how we live good. We're happy. Me go on this right now, go tell them some bad word, I be a laugh, them a laugh off of me and run me out of the room. Look how we live. Only did one we live like a puss and dog and a tear for one another head. We're not doing that. The whole we are trying to look life. You understand what I say? Love you, baby. Right? The only thing me see, Anna, I just feel like say, you just want to follow the crowd. I feel like say, you just want to follow the crowd. You understand what I say? You choose sim. Right? I feel like Anna just want to follow the crowd. And you just stuck yourself in a one little circle. You don't want to let nobody in. You understand what I say? And that is it. Stay strong, Annie. I don't want to say much because I know more what I can say. But don't come out here and try to come through some shades. Power. And at the end of the day, you talk to us on the phone and act like we're good, bro. You see me? Don't do that. Because watch this now. If Red Dance there, so. If you give Red Dance a chance. I mean, know say most of the thing are you kind of hold back Red Dance. Because I end up get to know Daniel. Daniel have potential. But you're not free up your fucking self. And she's jealous. And she need to stop it. Red Dance have a whole heap of potential. May I tell you, if you don't ever know. Red Dance have potential. You see me? But you stuck in a one little box. One little teeny box. So. And you not give the man the chance to grow. You see the DNA there, you give Daniel that chance there. And just let go and believe. Hey, Daniel, I got build a mansion over your blood clot head. You hear me tell you? Daniel, I got build a blood clot mansion over your head, girl. It's just that you have trust issue. You have trust issue, Anna. Right? And you do not let go. You hold on pan the past. From last year, the other year, and the year, you get me? Right? And if you let go, stop, Anish. No, but she need to let go. She need to stop. Why you gonna tell me stop it when she gonna make me feel away? Why is she gonna do that because of jealousy? She cannot do that because I work around everybody. I'm working around everybody. Why am I just take them and hurt me? You don't think me feel away with all these things what she say? Moderator, black people, if the comment section get too heavy, take them down. Right? That is so disgusting what she do. You're in front of a person and you will act like you love them and you smile with them. But you turn your back now, you just give one different thing. Me not like people say so. If me and your friend tell me in front of your my face, hey girl, me not like you, and you go suck your mother. But later on, and me and you that again. That is the type of woman I am. You can't lock it down, moderator. I don't want to deal with no comments. I'm serious. Right? Well, I'm a sub chat. Well, I'm a sub chat. Alright, moderator, make it stay. You see thing what I hate? I don't like a person where you can't talk. Which part me like? Me there saw me talk. But before you come, I go tell you what me I say. Before you come, I go tell you what me I say. If me there in front of her, to me, she not express herself and tell me the truth. I feel like when I'm gone, this now she will start talk. Right? Talk to me in front of me and say what you have to say. My life are my life, Anna's life are her life. I'm not in vehicle in her life. I learn now how to deal with Anna. Me no business with certain things. Them a man and woman, them love them one another. You understand what I say? I just want to know say she not hurt herself or him not hurt her. That's all I want to know. You see from me know say him not hurt her and she not hurt him. I don't want to know nothing more. Enough for my business. But throwing shade for me, Anna, that not gonna work for me. I'm not gonna stop dealing with jobbers. Me ask you a question, Chanel. Come here, me bumbo clot. No, look over there, son. Now.
Chanel, you don't say that ear, brother.
Look here.
You know ear, you know ear. You stupid.
Tajay, let me tell you something. So I run them. Tajay, what is? Guys, I put on my phone. Soon come.